There are many different businesses that have the potential to be lucrative and provide a high income. Here are a few examples. 1. Technology companies. 2. Healthcare companies. 3. Real estate development and management. 4. Investment firms. 5. Marketing and advertising agencies. 6. E-commerce businesses. 7. Consulting firms. 8. Manufacturing companies. 9. Food and beverage businesses. 10. Service businesses, for example home repair, personal training, etc. It's important to note that the potential for a business to be successful and generate a high income will depend on a variety of factors, including the demand for the products or services offered, the competition in the market, the effectiveness of the business's marketing and sales strategies, and the skill and dedication of the business owner. Starting and running a successful business takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to continuously learn and adapt. There is no guarantee of success, but with the right combination of factors, it is possible for a business to be lucrative.